Hello, I'm Austin Jarrett. I'm the Managing Director at Allett Mowers. Here we are at the end of 2018 and it's been a really great year here at Allett Mowers. We started the year with a big factory move. We needed to do that because there was so much more demand for our products and we needed to increase our productivity. We've increased the size of the business, we've increased the amount of exports that have come out of the factory as well, and in particular we're very proud of the Russian World Cup and our contribution to the mowing there. We're developing new products and we launched the Liberty product, battery driven lawnmower for homeowners back in 2016. That has been very successful for us, and now what we're wanting to do is a natural extension of that product range and taking bigger 80-volt systems and putting those into our professional products going forward. Our customers are really enjoying the benefits of low levels of noise, zero emissions at point of use, low hand-on vibration. So we're determined to come up with new and innovative products to supply that demand. So we're working harder with our quality, we're working harder with our innovation, we're working harder on our exports and our sales too. So with all this that's going on, 2019 is only going to be bigger and better. This is all only possible with all the hard work and fantastic people here at Allett Mowers, to which I'm really grateful, and we really love working with you. But before we finish for 2018, I just wanted to wish all of our suppliers, passionate hard-working colleagues, our distributors, and especially to our customers. Without all of their custom, this would not be possible. We really appreciate what it is you do for us, and I wish you a very happy Christmas and a prosperous 2019.